Ohio is one of 28 states that has a voter leave law on the books. Legally speaking, this means your employer has to give you time off from work to cast your vote if you need it on Election Day. It's Ohio Revised Code Section 3599.06, and it's not super specific, so I'll fill in some of the blanks for you here today. This law applies to electors, which essentially means anyone registered to vote. When it comes to how much time your boss has to give you off to vote, the statute says a reasonable amount of time, so that's probably not the whole day. In Ohio, polls are open from 6:30 a.m. to 7:30 p.m. on Election Day. So if your work shift plus your commuting time covers that entire time period, you're covered to take some time off to vote under this law. Nothing in the statute says you have to give your boss notice before you do it, but it's a nice thing to do so they can plan accordingly. And your employer could tell you at what point during your shift you can head out to vote, as long as it doesn't end up unreasonably interfering with your ability to cast your ballot. If you're paid hourly and you need to vote during your workday, you don't have to be paid for that time. But if you're paid on a salary, your workplace cannot deduct money from your paycheck for that time off. If you do take advantage of Ohio's voter leave law, your job could require you to show proof that you voted, like asking to see your I voted sticker, for example. But remember, your employer can never force you to tell them how you voted. So get out there and vote, Ohio. This is Stephanie Haney, Legally Speaking, for 3 News.